what's up everyone? As you saw last time, the power steering failed and we made a mess everywhere. I spent all day cleaning it and it's kind of dirty now. But fortunately, Kevin came through with the Howe Power Steering Pump. We got the reservoir, it's got the filter on it, and he's gonna come on down. We're gonna make a mount on the right plasma table and paint it mint and throw it in there. I'm pretty pumped because this power steering pump is like 4 times as powerful and it's definitely gonna move these tires around a lot easier. If you're familiar with Fords, you've definitely been around one that whines. The power steering is just obnoxious and it just goes out so fast. So thank you, Howe Power Steering. Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to show you the upgraded beam supports that Kevin made on the front beams. He ended up making this, braced the pivot and gusseted it up where the bump stop's gonna be hitting. And down here at the bottom, he ended up making a strip plate with rosette holes so that every single section is welded like every 2 inches. So it really made the beam a lot more rigid. The structural supports where the bump stops are hitting are now really upgraded and braced up. And if you look over here, we did it on both of them, the front and the back. Came out real nice. Yes, TIG welding is always just amazing. Exotic, baby. Mint or polish, what do you guys think?
First step here, I think we're going to take off this coolant line so we can get access to the power steering pump a little bit easier.
Good call.
I don't like to work around things, so
yeah, that'd be a nightmare.
Grab a bucket and we'll dump some coolant out so we can get this hose off, and then we'll start working in to get the power steering pump out of there.
Cool, I got a coolant bucket already, so I'm gonna grab that.
Got a big one. Oh yeah.
With slippers on? Yeah, I wasn't ready today. What ended up happening was we got the mount for the reservoir and found a nice place where it's going to fit without touching the hood. We ended up cutting a little piece of tube to find, to make up the distance we needed so it will space off the tube and the lower support. And now we're going to prep it up, clean it up, get rid of all the grease, find a ground, and weld up the mount so we can have the reservoir mounted. Alright, so we made some good progress today. We were able to get the power steering pump out. We got the new fittings in, and then we cleaned up some of the tube and got the reservoir mounted. Kevin came through, made all the measurements, got the reservoir where he likes it, and he's going to be taking the original factory mount and customizing it so we can get the aftermarket Howe Power Steering Pump into the stock location. I guess I got a lot of cleaning to do because it made a mess everywhere, but it's not going to be leaking afterwards. And Let's go.